puts love into their work, their job. What I do, a lot of people, I don't know what they do, I know what I do. Because I gotta make my sauce. What I do is, I take the seeds out. I do one by one to make the margarita sauce. One by one I do this for people. See this? Look at this tomato. See the seeds? What I do is I take it out little by little. Try to take all the seeds. I try to take all of them. You probably get like 80-90% out of them. You're not going to take everybody. A lot of crush them all by hand. And then when the seeds go down in here, okay, the seeds go down, then I sift all the seeds out. So that's what I have to do to make the margarita sauce. So see all the seeds? I take them all out. So they don't go in your stomach. I don't like a lot of seeds. It makes it bitter, the sauce. So what I'm doing, one by one, I take the seeds out and then I sift them all out. So that's what goes involved to make my sauce for the pizza. So it's from me to you. Enjoy. I literally taking these tomatoes one by one, and I'm taking all the seeds out. So and now I leave the pulp in this container. That's what I'm doing, and then I'll take this with my hand, and I'm just going to show you how many seeds come out of one can of tomatoes. So I'm trying to take a little, you put a little extra love and a little effort in, and you do a little bit, take the seeds out of the sauce. I just want to show you how many seeds I'm taking out, out of a can of tomatoes. It's unbelievable. And what happens is the seeds, you put all these seeds in your sauce, and your sauce will become bitter. So you got to put a little love into it, a little time. Don't rush. Boom, boom, boom. They go in there, rush. Boom. They put the can and they rush. So boom, 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 boom. You got to go easy, nice and easy. You got to put a little love into it. Look. See what happens? Take your time. Do a good job. Look at all the seeds. Okay? See what I do? Look at all those seeds. Not in the sauce. Out of the sauce. Little tip from me to you. Have a great day, guys. All the best.